Hi, I'm Tatiana, and here's my senior project. First, my project is called Seer, and here's my logo. Let me begin by defining the words seer and oracle that will give an explanation to the visual theme of my project. A seer is a person of supposed supernatural insight who sees visions of the future. Seers are known to look to the future in crystal balls, hence the visual theme of my project. The Seer is an interactive and informative mobile application that is created to introduce the largest amount of career possibilities to students who may be unsure of what they would like to be later on in their lives. When the students are in their last school years, they usually have to make a decision on what they want to pursue in their lives, and when they think of it as a university major, their options may become limited. This application will be a tool for 16 to 19-year-olds mainly to discover their options and look at the bigger picture. Through mixing their skills, topics that they find interesting, and items that they like to use, the users will be provided with career possibilities, and then they will unlock a new career option for every time that they mix the keywords. Here's my academic poster. Now I will go through my brand guidelines. Here are the main logo options that I am using in my project. Then here's the color palette. And finally, there's the typography, the logo typography and the app typography. Now let's go through the application. The application first opens up to an introductory page where there's a brief introduction about the application and where there's the option to go through a tutorial. Next is the I'm good at page. The users have to scroll through a list of skills and have to pick what they're good at. In this case, they chose observation. The users swipe to the I'm interested in page, and they also have to choose. In this case, it's history. And you notice the Find My Calling pops up at the bottom, since 2 words are the minimum. Then we swipe to the I like to use, and the users have to also choose. Now, we click on Find My Calling, and the users are asked to shake their phone. And this is when they get the career option. In this case, it's a paleontologist. They click on I'm interested and get a small quiz. For each new career and each different time the users get a different career, a different quiz or a different question comes up. In this case, it's to sort the order of the tasks. After the quiz, the users get information about the career option, what they do, did you know, which provides random facts, and find out more, and they can choose to add it to favorites. Now let's see the discovered careers. They can be sorted by category, and the users also have access to the favorite careers. Now let's try again. In this case, the user is good at decision making, and the user is also good at analysis. As we can see, they can choose 2 from the same category. The user is interested in botany, and the user likes to use a book. Find My Calling, the user shakes their phone to get an Oriental medicine practitioner. Here's the quiz to select the relevant school subjects. Here are the correct answers, and learn more. The user is choosing to add the career to favorites. Now let's try one more time. If the user chooses any word that they regret or that they would like to remove, they can simply click on it again. Now, the user is good at problem solving. The user is interested in marine life and swiping, and also interested in science, and swiping to the I like to use a toolbox. Find My Calling, and the user shakes their phone to get a marine engineer. Now, if the users want to access any of the careers that they have discovered, they can simply click on it to get the information again. Here's the print poster. The print advertisement will be used in schools for students to download the application. Those that are confused will see the poster and will download the application. This is my marketing strategy. Thank you.